There are two kinds of living entities, Nitya Siddha and Nitya Baddha. Nitya Siddha means they never fall a victim of Maya. That is Nitya Siddha. Even though they are within this material world, they are never victimized. That is called Nitya Siddha. And one who is victimized is called Nitya Baddha. But actual constitutional position of every living entity is Nitya Siddha. Because God is eternal and is part and parcel, the living entities, they are also eternal. So that is Nitya Siddha. Nitya Siddha, Sadhana Siddha, Kripa Siddha. There are different grades. They are all described in the Nectar of Devotion. So one can become Sadhana Siddha by following the rules and regulations and instruction of the spiritual master. He can also become Siddha. He can become again Nitya Siddha. So the Krishna consciousness movement is to make the Nitya Baddhas again Nitya Siddha.